Hey everyone, welcome to Brick Breakdown. My name's Matthew, and today we're going to be talking about and reviewing the new LEGO Ford Model T, which is releasing on March 1st, 2026. But before we begin, if you haven't done it yet, or if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe. So, LEGO has just officially announced this new set that will be coming out on March 1st, 2026, which is the LEGO Ford Model T. It's a replica of the 1910s Ford Model T, which was one of the first mass-produced cars ever brought to market. It's set number 11376. It has 1,060 pieces and is rated for ages 18 plus. It retails for $170 Canadian, $130 US, or 130 euros. Now, I haven't found information on the scale of this set. However, it's 20 centimeters high, 29 centimeters long, and 13 centimeters wide. This set is actually going to come with a lot of very cool play features. Firstly, it comes with a foldable roof that can go up and down. It has a split windshield on the front, which can also go up and down. We get working steering. We get a single opening passenger door. And this is actually a design feature of the original car, which LEGO has incorporated. On the real car, the driver's side often featured a sealed, false door panel, or no door at all. The front hood can also completely open up, allowing us to see the engine. And we also get the very recognizable crank on the front of the car, which allows us to start the vehicle. Turning this crank, it also turns a fan, which is located in the engine compartment. We can also lift the seats to reveal the gas tank, which is underneath. And there's also a trunk on the car, which we can open up. Now, one of the things I was really hoping for in this build was a working engine, but unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're gonna get one. I don't know why this is. Maybe it was too tight of a space to make something work, or the design was just too complicated. Maybe there was something that could have been done, but either way, we don't get a working engine on this build. Is it a deal breaker? Absolutely not. But it still would have been really nice to see a working engine. Now, looking through some of the photos of the set that have been released, I've spotted some really cool details. One of the obvious details that stands out are these wheels. I'm not entirely sure if these are new to the LEGO lineup. However, this is the first time that I've seen these white wheels with the tall spoked rims. As for some other cool pieces and details in the set, we also get these forks, which are used on the steering columns to represent the gear shifter and so forth. On the engine, it also looks like there's some hockey sticks used to bring out some details. As for the box, where this is an 18 plus set, we don't get a graphic on the front of the box, but we do get the black and slightly colored background with the car displayed on it. As for the back of the box, we get a graphic with the roof folded down, the windshield folded forward, and we also get many other graphics featuring all the different play features, such as the crank and the fan, the opening doors, the working steering, the gas tank below the seat, and the opening trunk. This set is also fully buildable in the LEGO Builder app, which allows you to build and manipulate this set in a 3D space. I'm super excited to get my hands on the set and build it when it comes out on March 1st, 2026. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out when I post that video. I hope you enjoyed this quick review. And if you did, make sure to like this video. Comment down below. What are your thoughts on this set? What do you think of some of the play features and the design? Are you gonna get this set yourself? What do you think? I'd love to know. Tell me all about it. And lastly, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.